Biology, Video 1. This video presentation is part of an educational series produced by the Carter Institute for Natural Health Studies as part of the course entitled Nutrition for Vibrant Health and Beauty, which is a certification course for holistic health practitioners. What is biology? Biology is the study of living organisms and their characteristics. I can hear you say, sounds interesting. Not? Well, actually, it is very interesting, and you'll probably be surprised. Why study biology? Biology will be one of your main tools when you are a practicing consultant. The body is a remarkable creation that will serve us well if we take care of it, or break down like an old engine if we don't. Just like proper maintenance to a car engine will make the car engine last longer, taking care of our bodies makes us last longer. People have instruction and care manuals for almost everything they own except for their own bodies. Education is the key for a healthier society. You will be on the forefront of this movement. Rarely will anyone tell you what is wrong with them, so you must figure it out for themselves. Figure it out for yourself, rather. If they already knew, they wouldn't need to consult with you. You are the one that must figure it out. You will find in the course of your career that many people have latent issues, meaning that the issues are not progressed far enough to show up with tests from conventional doctors, yet the persons recognize that they do not feel good. They will come to you. Or you will have people that conventional doctors have given up on, yet the people are open to non-traditional methods to save their life. Again, they will come to you. Biology encompasses everything within the body whole and how we react to stimulus and our environment. Biology is also how our cells react and behave when exposed to foods we eat, beverages we consume, things we smoke, and also the things we think and dwell on. When we know biology, we will then know why we must eat and drink. When we understand the biology of our own bodies, we can then make an intelligent distinction between foods that not only fill our belly and real nourishment that gives the body quality construction material to build high-quality cells. Our body fluids deliver nourishment to every cell in our bodies. Fresh quality food makes our blood healthy. Healthy blood is the basis of health because the blood must carry nutrition to the cells and carry oxygen to the cells. Not only that, but when the blood must carry wastes away from the cellular areas and respiratory wastes too. All this activity is what makes life possible. As you can now see, all the body parts and tissues are dependent on all the other body parts. No body part is separate or unaffected when another tissue or organ has health that is below par. When you understand biology, you will understand the need for sleep, rest, and relaxation. For instance, you maybe did not know that while you are sleeping, your brain is cleaning itself of toxins generated by thought processes and by toxins circulating from the foods we eat, beverages we drink, smells and toxins we inhale throughout the day, and the toxins generated by feeling aggravated, depressed, angry, jealous, or any of the other myriad of thoughts we think in one day. When we relax, our muscles also relax, and our circulation can become more efficient. You will understand why it is so damaging to experience negative emotions which can raise the blood pressure and fill our systems with toxic hormones generated by our own glands. You will learn how and why it is important to get these emotions under rein. You will also learn how to relax these muscles and glands. You will be someone who understands that when a person is unable to eliminate waste from their system, they not only don't feel good physically, but their mental attitude will be affected as well. Waste materials not eliminated properly every day will re-enter the bloodstream through the bowel walls and wreak havoc on tissues and emotions. Most people do not realize this, but you will. You will be able to describe to the client and explain to them what is happening with their body and their emotions. You will be able to help them with this problem because you will totally understand what the problem is. You will be able to look at their skin and their hair and be able to determine what level of toxic leakage is going on within the body. You will learn that most people have a problem with this constipation of the bowels and of the tissues, and you will learn how disease is formed on a basic level because of this. There is more to constipation of the system than just stuff in the bowels. Cellular respiration and metabolism puts off waste materials such as carbolic acid, which can build up in the tissues and cause problems. Most people do not know this, but you will. You will be able to educate, not just recommend. When people do not feel good, it shows up in their attitude and their ability to think clearly. Most of the time when people do not feel good, they have toxins and uneliminated waste products, not only in the gut, but in and between all of their cells, which are the basis of the entire body. You will be able to talk about how mind, body, and spirit all connect and are all impact the health of the other, and you will also be able to easily grasp how they are interconnected and so how they impact each other. Again, with this knowledge of biology and with the knowledge that will follow in this course, you will be a true healer, one who heals a person, mind, body, and spirit. It is a gift and a privilege to be able to do that for other people. The body is comprised of organs which are made from tissues, which are made from cells, which are made from molecules. Are we starting to see how all this is connected with nutrition? It is very important groundwork for the learning ahead. The molecules that the cells are made of are created by our bodies from the food we eat, the beverages we drink, and the thoughts we keep. Think about that for a moment. Our bodies are made out of the stuff we put in it. We truly are what we eat, drink, and think. Knowledge of biology will not only help you understand the workings of the body, but you will then also understand how the emotions affect the body and how the body can affect the emotions. This is not a play on words. For instance, when we get upset emotionally, our heart rate picks up and we can perspire or feel defensive. And also, if we do not eat right, or if we have illness or latent disease, this toxic condition of the blood will make the person's personality seem sour and negative, or what is known as toxic. Another notable example is PMS and menopause. When we do not feel well, or if we have not been resting and eating correctly, our monthly time is much more unpleasant, and then when we get to menopause, it only gets worse. However, it is well known that women who take better care of themselves have a much easier time with all of the above. Chronic stress, that is, stress that never ends, can lead to chemical depression because of the nutrients that stress burns up faster. They cause depression when they are depleted. So if we use up a lot of vitamin B during times of stress, we can develop depression because of a greater need for the B vitamins, and also on a very powerful level, hormones which are released during times of stress are very powerful and toxic and can literally poison your tissues. causing severe health consequences in the future. So, as you can easily see, the study and the understanding of biology is the important first step in this process of learning to be a certified holistic health practitioner. It is important that you study this subject deeply and thoughtfully. Apply the new knowledge to your day-to-day life. Observe and be aware of the workings of your own body and of those around you. Allow this subject to capture your imagination and your interest. It will be important to you for the rest of your life. Wishing you all the best in health and wealth. Until next time.